Hello guys, welcome again to our technical analysis. In this week is very important, monthly close. Actually March is very important right now for Bitcoin because we will know exactly if Bitcoin is gonna keep just crashing or we will see a bounce. Actually, based on the close of the monthly is in 12 hours from now. Well, as I said, I need to get confirmation, right? So my confirmation was below $37,000 will be my next target around $30,000 and mid-30s actually, but looks like we will have to wait a little bit more, maybe other 2 or 3 months. So now what's next? Well, monthly is the same. I cannot change the trend. I cannot change the technical analysis. This is in the long term monthly to the downside, okay, around 23 and even $15,000, yes, in the monthly, but it will take time. I mean, it will take months, all this year. So, but something very important right now is happening in Bitcoin. Bitcoin actually is printing a hammer reversal actually right now here. 12 hours. Actually, we are gonna have the confirmation. Confirmation is above, as long Bitcoin in the next 12 hours close at about $38,000, 400, 500 around there. This is gonna close very good, and the next week. So I'm expecting other leg up in weekly basis. So that means other test to the MI55 in weekly chart around here, and actually this is matching with my buy signal now I am getting in by 1 day chart. So around 44, 45 maximum level I am expecting for Bitcoin in weekly basis around $47,000, 48. Of course, if I see Bitcoin here, yeah, I know the same thing as usual, right? People will enter on FOMO and to the moon, right? 100k, 100k, 200k, 1 million right now. Well, if Bitcoin comes here, you know what? I will wait for you here. I will wait for you here because you are buying here, and you know I'm gonna dump. I'm gonna just waiting for you here for my shorts, because even if Bitcoin comes here, yeah, and just because you see one candle here closing above the MI55, that means is the trend is reversing? Of course not. We need to see a massive boom there around maybe $60,000, and after that the pullback, yes, in weekly basis we will see a trend reversal in weekly charts, but it will take months. So yeah, actually very good news for Bitcoin next month. Of course, in 1 day chart I will never buy there, of course not. The smart, I mean, not because I said weekly chart is gonna be on March, maybe is gonna be a green month. That doesn't mean like that means I'm gonna buy here right now, of course not. Of course, I know the risk and reward, for my personal opinion, I will buy just the pullbacks in 4-hour chart or maybe 12 hour, I don't know. But the good thing here for Bitcoin is Bitcoin OBV is above the zero line, perfect, is still trending to the upside, yes, very good. So that means also we have a buy signal in 1 day chart here, confirmation this weekend, very good for Bitcoin. The last thing I need to see is the ADX getting negative, and actually we will see that maybe in the next close. So any close above $38,000, 500, we will see other leg up next week around 42, 43 level, and from there I'm expecting, of course, a reaction. But this is the thing, this time I think Bitcoin is getting ready for reversing the trend. As long Bitcoin is holding 38, 39, this area, $37,000, $39,000 in the area, yeah, I am speculating Bitcoin the next pullback is the pullback. From there we will see finally the trend reversal, and my maximum target is between $44,000 to $48,000. Of course, as I said, it depends, up to you. I don't know how you are trading. I am no financial advisor. Of course, I can be totally wrong, yeah, and maybe Bitcoin is just gonna crash to zero, right? Who knows? But just I'm following my technicals, right? So as I said before, here, as long Bitcoin is holding $37,000 as a minimum price, I think Bitcoin is not gonna break soon this level anymore, because actually this price action, this bounce here, yeah, is very good. So in 4-hour chart, so I will say in 4-hour chart we will see bear divergences forming. Of course, that means I'm expecting another leg up to the upside. So from this level to 42, 41, around there, I am expecting this leg up, and we will see a test in here is where is the MI55 in 1 day chart, and this is the trade in 4-hour chart. So there is no setup, no, of course not, but as you can see here, we will see something like this, and in the next one is when we will see this bear divergence forming in a squeeze, and also we will see this leg up actually maybe tomorrow, maybe in the next 12 hours. I am expecting something like that. And also in 1 day chart and 1 hour, of course, this is not, I mean, I am not trading 1 hour chart, but just letting I want to tell you, every time when we have the blue clouds, that means it's consolidation, short-term consolidation. So that means this price action is gonna move to the upside. That is my speculation right now. Why? Because 12 hour chart, actually now we have buy signal here. Also we have bullish divergences here. Of course, this is the area for selling. I mean, very close to MA55, 42, $41,000, maximum $42,000 is gonna be the area. Something like this. Something like this. As you can see here, the area are very clear. For risk management, about risk management, I will not trade this. I mean, no. Why? Because I know Bitcoin is testing resistance between all the area in macro area, right? Between 40,000, 41,000 and 42, and 41 and 42 is resistance. So if you are a very aggressive trader and you know how to manage risk, okay, you can take the risk and you can go there. No, in my case, I will not do it. I will just wait for the pullback. Yeah, this pullback I am speculating here, and after that, yeah, I will continue with the trend to maybe 44, 45, or even higher, as I said. Now, let's talk about the weekly chart. Weekly chart, as I said before, people they will enter in, they will be super bullish. Actually, yeah, it's normal. People will be super bullish around here. Yeah, in weekly chart. I really think it is a very high probability we will not see Bitcoin breaking $35,000, $36,000, not anymore, because this close. And also, as I said, recap is maximum $47,000, $48,000 is my target. Yeah, maximum level. If you want to be bullish in macro time frames for Bitcoin, Bitcoin must change the trend here. So the real level is $47,000. Looks like Bitcoin is gonna test first $47,000, and because monthly is the most for me. I mean, time frames are macro from micro. From macro to micro. So that means this is the technical I am looking for Bitcoin right now. The A and the B, and finally C with capitulation. That is the technicals I am speculating. Of course, invalidations, yes, of course. Yeah, invalidations is any close below 40, any rejection between $47,000. Actually, for me, it's the key level, $47,000 and $50,000 is gonna be the area, the major bull trap in macro time frames. Something like this, and here is where. Be ready, because finally in here, if Bitcoin gets rejected, Bitcoin to zero. Yeah, it's part of the game. It's part of the game, you know. So people are very emotional, and they just want to, when they see a green candle, they say, "Oh yeah, this time I'm gonna be super millionaire." No, it's not like that. It's a process. And also, let me tell you something. This is not bullish. You know that. In weekly chart and monthly, I cannot change the trend, and I will be bullish when one day Bitcoin is testing the zero line or is below there. But maybe it will take maybe 3 or 4 months to see that. Remember, OBB, especially OBB, is very different. The read is very different. The potential buy signal is gonna happen in the next close. Actually, with this close, it's very hard to will see finally the buy signal in weekly. So this is to the upside. Yeah, this is to the upside. That's it. But remember, not because you see weekly chart to the upside, that means Bitcoin is very bullish on monthly. No. Okay, be ready. If because of this technical analysis you are gonna buy altcoins and you are gonna be in FOMO, first of all, I am not a financial advisor. Please manage your risk, and I'm gonna be very clear. I am not trading altcoins. I am not interested in altcoins because, as I said, the next move to the upside for me is gonna be a bull trap in macro time frames. Of course, I need to see the price. If I see Bitcoin super bullish here, is breaking, is doing something like this, even testing 55 or even $60,000 again, and I see this potentially I will tell you maybe in 3 or 4 months, okay, to the moon, 100k. But we are not there, so I cannot change the trend. Also, why I'm bullish or not bullish, I am expecting a macro bounce right now based on this close is simple. The Bitcoin dominance, sorry, the USDT, remember monthly is bullish, yes, but we have some now auto rejection. The monthly is gonna close below 4.50, so that means we will see a sell signal potentially in weekly chart here. Yeah, very close, not bear divergences here. That means it's just a macro pullback in weekly chart, not bear divergences. No, macro pullback, something like this. And after that, you will see here people super bullish again here, and after that other leg up, and you will see people crying again as usual. So this is a pullback. Why? Because the OBV is still very healthy in USDT. So in general, enjoy the pullback next month. Sorry, the bounce next month. Yeah, but don't forget it. Don't forget it. Not because you see some green candles that means Bitcoin to the moon, right? No. So in 1 day chart, let me show you something. So in 5 day chart, that's why I'm expecting something like this is because bear divergences, actually not bear. Let me see. Let me fix this technical analysis because no. Let me see. No, just couple almost, but no. But this is not healthy. This is not healthy. Of course not. So also you see 3 day chart. 3 day chart, as you can see here, not good. Yeah, we have in 3 day chart we have. No, we don't have it. We don't have it. It's still bullish. Yes. In 2 day chart, let me see. 2 day chart we have, yeah, this is a bear trap, a bull trap here in this formation. Next month I'm speculating 3.44 is gonna be tested in 2 day chart. In 1 day chart, very obvious. Here sell signal, rejection, ME55, yeah, around maybe 4 is gonna be the level, and also rejected by the OBV. Very obvious setup here. So in general, the most important thing here is this one. Next close like this, Bitcoin is gonna fire for first time since November 2021. Remember, this price action is for maximum 3 months. So we will have a sell signal in USDT, and we will have buy signal in Bitcoin. So many altcoins, they will bounce. They will bounce to test macro resistance. That means your last chance to sell altcoins is coming. Yeah, is coming. But I know you will not do it. Why? Because you will get greedy and to the moon, and again we'll repeat the same movie and again, right? I know, but I really think like maybe these kind of videos, maybe you can open your mind a little bit and don't get too greedy, and don't take decisions based on your emotions. For example, now Cardano, people will say, oh my god, this time to $3, $5, $10. No, this is actually something very interesting here. Cardano is in a bear market. Actually, this is a reversal, of course. So that means next month Cardano will test around $1.10. You know what? It's gonna do something like this. Yeah, we will see maybe this month, next month something like this, accumulation maybe in 1 day chart, and from there a bounce here. I think there are some bullish divergences in 1 day chart from there, and here again people will say, oh yeah, this time to $5, to $10, to 20, right? Let's buy a house. Okay, no, here it is to the downside. Yeah, and my technical analysis is the same for many altcoins. I mean, for example, Solana, same thing here. Yeah, the technical analysis is there in weekly chart. I cannot change the trend. I cannot change this reversal, but in 1 day chart we will see outer test, maybe maximum 120. Yeah, and we will see in another 2-3 months outer test to 100, and from there, if Solana breaks 100 again, you will see finally the full rejection to 50. Yeah, so many altcoins will be ready. Actually, they are getting ready for a bounce. Solana is doing something wonderful, actually, I will say. Yeah, of course, I cannot buy there. I mean, I mean, depends, right? With leverage, of course not, because I know $100 is the resistance, but I think potentially this level is gonna break very soon. The reason for this is because Solana is doing something wonderful here. We have a confirmation tree, bullish divergence here in 1-day chart, also by signal, and also we have bullish divergences in OBB. OBB is super powerful with this kind of setup. So the maximum level I am expecting for Solana in the next month is around 115, 120, in an extension, super biggest extension to 140. That is the maximum level. Yeah, but here I know. Again, you will buy because to 200 again, right? No, of course not. Here is the area for selling. So I will keep like this technical analysis like this. Yeah, do what? Keep falling. Yeah, that is my technical analysis for many altcoins. So that means all the altcoins I am looking right now, they have similar setup as Solana, as BNB, and many others. Yeah, and you will see bounces. Yeah, and also, as I said, first of all, I am not financial advisor because I want to be very clear, but we will see. According to my technicals, we will see a very nice continuation, nice bounce in for altcoins and Bitcoin. I would say it's gonna be a bull trap in macro timeframes, but enjoy, right? Now, Luna. People are asking me for Luna. I said, okay, from here I am bullish. Remember, here I said this area yesterday. Yeah, I'm expecting a pullback, a small pullback, but as you can see here, people are bullish and greedy for this coin, so I'm expecting an other extension around here, around $90, even maximum maybe 100 other tests here. But let me tell you something: if you are getting greedy with this asset, I will say now it's too late. The buy was maybe around here, yeah, bullish divergence, I think, and also you will see something like this, right? Like this, and here, please, okay, don't repeat the same mistake as usual. Here is for selling, okay, for selling, or at least manage your risk. If you buy here and you are making money and you think Luna is going to, I don't know, 300, 400, 500, whatever, at least manage your risk, right? But I know, yeah, very sophisticated people sometimes are watching my live streams. Okay, so here, this is the area I am looking for, final target for Solana, 96, 97, around 100, even according to the close in weekly chart, potentially we'll see maybe a new ATA here. But of course, I'm not, because now I am saying this, you will buy here. Of course not. You have to wait for the pullback maybe in 1-day chart. Here, this was a beautiful consolidation here, yeah, and also we have this. Let me show you something. Beautiful buy signal here, beautiful buy signal. This is something I would like to see for Bitcoin, but we don't have it. I don't know what is happening with this coin, but it's very bullish. Actually, I will say very bullish. It's the only one I am very bullish on this. I want to see something like this for Bitcoin. Now let's talk about other coins. Okay, Ethereum, same thing. I am expecting the ABC pattern, last way to the upside. Yeah, this is ABC, as you can see here, and we are gonna, no, this is a corrective pattern, sorry, it's something like this. Something like this. And here around $3,000 is the area where people will start very bullish again for Ethereum, right? Like, oh yeah, buy, because this is to $10,000, right? Like this. No, monthly is clear. Okay, so of course even Ethereum is testing the MI55 right now, so maximum is 3,300, and from here next month, no thank you. Of course, you bought the dip around 2,500, 600. At least manage your risk. But as I said, don't get too greedy for altcoins. Don't get too greedy, because this could be, we don't have confirmation of buy signal of Ethereum. Just I'm telling you what I saw in the altcoins and Bitcoin. So for me, it's very important the close for Bitcoin in monthly in March is very, very powerful. And also we have other close here in by monthly. Let me see. March, yes. As you can see here, very good here. this area between $30,000 to $35,000 is the area for Bitcoin as support. So the next candle must close, it's around $47,000 here, $47,000 in bi-monthly. So this is the area of major bull trap. Of course, if Bitcoin is very bullish, and this is to the upside always, so you need to see at least 1 month weekly chart. No, I think monthly is better. Monthly closing above here is gonna be bullish, yes. Now, don't forget about something. We have sell signal here, yeah. So this is weekly chart is gonna be just a bounce. According to this technical analysis, it's gonna be just a bounce. Why? Because historically speaking, every time when we have this sell signal in bi-monthly, so that means we will have bounces, of course, yes, but by the end is corrective. So any move in weekly chart for me is gonna be a major bull trap. So like this, yeah. Let's check the price when Bitcoin is around here. One thing, if with this potential buy signal this weekend and you don't see Bitcoin even just testing 45, 46 and it's closing there, even with this buy signal, well, be ready for your fake out, because this is gonna be just a rejection continuation to the downside. So that's why I'm very careful. That's why I'm not trading altcoins. The only one that I am trading right now is, well, not trading actually, is buying. As I am not financial advisor, of course not. Don't follow me. I am buying cake. Cake because after I saw the full chart, I really like what I saw. But here in TradingView I cannot trust in this. But yes. So let's talk about other thing. Yeah, Bitcoin dominance. The Bitcoin dominance is doing something very interesting right now here. As you can see here, the monthly, we have a new month closing here, and this is very bullish monthly. We have finally by signaling monthly confirmation. We are gonna have the confirmation. The only thing we need now is the ADX slope getting negative. I think we will have this at top. So Bitcoin is getting ready to move. Bitcoin is getting ready to move. In this time, maximum target is around 40, 50, around here, this area. From there I'm expecting a pullback, yes. And this is matching with my bounce, macro bounce for Bitcoin from $39,000 to 45, 47, maximum $48,000 I'm expecting for Bitcoin. Maximum, maybe next month, maximum 2 months. Maximum 2 months, I will say. That's it, no more than that. No more than that. No more than that, I think. Now let's talk about something more interesting, about something very macro, and I want to show you a very beautiful indicator one of my friends sent me, and I want to show you in macro time frames. Oh my god, I really love this indicator. This indicator is wonderful, and it's explaining why I am not, I'm very happy. I'm very happy to see this kind of indicator. Look at this. This is a regression, logarithmic regression, yeah, in weekly chart, yeah. Bitcoiners, they like to see something like they want to see, right? So that's why they are using not an indicator in 1 day chart. Oh yeah, 1 day chart is 200k. No, weekly chart. Remember, well, according to my system, to my way of trading, is always macro is more important. If you see something bullish on 1 day chart, perfect, okay, enjoy maximum 10 days. Because if macro is bearish, you will see beautiful rejections. And now, historically speaking, according to this indicator or this regression trend, as you can see here, every time when Bitcoin is testing the red zone is the best time for selling. So Bitcoin in weekly basis is in a very big range between $30,000 and $60,000. And as you can see here, Bitcoin is testing, actually the bottom here is around, this red line is around 39,000 actually right now, yeah. And also printing this hammer, yeah, I am expecting other tests to around here, this area. As you can see, where is this area, you see maximum according to this indicator is 56, actually $60,000. Wow, very bullish, yeah, I will say. But any close below this area, let me show you here. Any close below here, this area, same area, $47,000, 48, maximum 50 around here. I cannot tell you exactly the last cent, because some traders like to see like, oh yeah, above 50,200.52 cents. I am bullish. I don't know how they can do it. I don't know. So no, this is macro areas, right? That's why the range is very big. So as long Bitcoin is printing candles below here, I am not bullish in macro time frames. This is a go setup, yes. Technically speaking, if you buy right now in a spot, you are buying the bottom. Doesn't matter it's 35, doesn't matter it's 39, doesn't matter it's 40, doesn't matter it's 33. No, because the range is very small. As you can see here, from 39 to 35 is just 6%. So I mean, you are in the bottom of the macro range. Yeah, this is the bottom of the macro range. Yeah, so any close, any rejection. Not today, not this month actually. I think not next month. I am expecting Bitcoin is gonna hold this level more. This bounce, if Bitcoin gets rejected, as I said before, you will see all the way down. You see where? Well, let's study the chart. The best areas to buy Bitcoin is always when Bitcoin is entered is in the green zone. Green zone, maximum, or sometimes the blue zone, right? So the green zone is around $15,000, all right, and $11,000, and the lowest point is $8,000. I will say, based on my experience and my expectations, if we do something like this is speculation, right? I'm gonna play like I am a Nostradamus, I am an Avenger, and I can see the future. So something like this, the regression in next month, the next print is gonna be around $88,000, $9,000 around June, July here. Yeah, when this line is around here, I am expecting Bitcoin is gonna be playing this range of capitulation, potential capitulation here. As I said, this is my based on the monthly and bear monthly divergence. Remember, for first time in the history, according to the chart we have is very concerning, because for first time in the history we have various divergences here and monthly, and I am still speculating in the macro time frames. In the really macro time frames, this is distribution pattern, and according to this chart, this is the area you buy in green, you sell in red. You buy in green, you sell where? Or in blue or in red. Buy in green, red. Very easy, right? So the question is time to buy for buying Bitcoin in the long term? According to this chart, of course not, right? Of course not. Now, this is the BLX, is the oldest chart for Bitcoin. So it's a chart like I really trust, because maybe you say, oh no, but in Binance I can see something different. Well, Binance started around 2017, around here. So Binance is missing all this data. You see, Bitstamp started around here. Bitstamp is missing all this data. So that's the thing I want to show you actually. So that's why I am very happy to see, like, I didn't notice this chart. My friend sent me this and I said, oh wow, okay, makes sense. Okay, so this blue area, all this area for me is the golden zone. Breaking $30,000, all this area is the golden zone. Doesn't matter the price. I think it's the best area for buying Bitcoin. As I said, I am a financial advisor. Please don't take it seriously. Okay, this is just for entertainment. Yeah, some people in the comments say, oh yeah, you like a clone. Yeah. Okay, let's talk about other thing, something else. Facebook, because actually some people are asking me about Facebook, because I'm talking about sometimes about stocks. Facebook, where is Facebook? Facebook here. Beautiful. You see, let me delete this because this is not something I'm interested here. Wonderful. This is the bounce I was expecting here. I can say this was capitulation. This is the bottom, I will say. Of course, I am expecting from here Facebook is going to the moon. Of course not. It will take maybe some months. So all this area, for me, I want to see some consolidation here, and this is to the upside. There is no other direction. The only direction as a trader I can see this is to the upside like this. Simple. The trend is your friend, and the trend is to the upside. So all this area is a macro area, macro support. If you see other leg down to 180 or 170 around here, you must be more happy actually, because this is the biggest area. Now, other people, okay, this is the only thing I'm talking about this one, and I'm gonna talk about other coins, okay? Because actually some people, I remember some people asking me about DOT. Okay, DOT. As I said a long time ago, this is the area, if you are bullish on DOT, this is the area you need to start looking for longs or buying a spot. As I said, I am not trading altcoins. If you really trust in your altcoin project and this project is gonna be good and you think, no, it's the next Bitcoin, whatever, okay, you are free to go. Okay, do it. Makes sense? Yes. Actually, right now makes sense for me because I am looking for buys for Bitcoin right now. Yeah, makes sense. Enjoy the bounce. Yeah, don't get too greedy. As I said here, we have same setup as Bitcoin. We don't have bullish variance we don't have bullish variance, so that means this is just gonna be a bounce. Maximum price for this in weekly basis, I'm gonna start looking for 25, 28 around here. Remember, weekly chart is for 3 months price action, so that means March, April, May, around there. If you are bullish, so that means this could be even depth for other 1 or 2, and you need to start monitoring here. Of course, if this level breaks for 15, the next area is $5. And actually, in the long term, in some point this year, I am looking for this area to be tested when we will, because I want to see Bitcoin capitulation. Yeah. So, but in order to have capitulation, we need to have people in FOMO. We need to get people in FOMO. So this bounce, you will see many people very greedy, like, oh yeah, DOT to what? To 100, to 200, no, 500, yeah? And from here to the downside, yeah? I think we will see bullish divergence in 1-day chart, yeah? Yes, we have one strike, we have, yeah, same as Solana. 28, 25, between 25, 28 next month is the area I'm gonna start looking for selling actually this asset. So I think that's it. I finished. I'm very happy. Finally, I can see some hope for Bitcoin after shorting almost 4 months. Finally, I'm very happy because actually I'm happy. Finally, I can be a little more optimistic here. Remember, right now Bitcoin is in downtrend. I mean, I cannot change the trend. Bitcoin is in downtrend. Yes, but there is a very high chance. We will, for first time in a long time, I can see potential, really good potential to test around $47,000 or $48,000. That is the maximum area. I'm gonna be super bullish for Bitcoin if we see this breaking, testing, and to the moon. Yes. Examples: breaking, testing, to the moon, right? We have many examples here. Testing to the moon, testing to the moon. Yeah, that's it. Let me see one thing. 5-day chart. By signal here, yes. Let me see if we have something to support this bounce. No, we don't have anything to support this bounce. It's just a bounce. When I say bounce, it's because I don't see macro time frames bullish divergences. This is not a bullish divergence. This is about invalidation. This is just a bounce. One thing is concerning. You are looking for the next short. Well, of course, as I said, I am not a financial advisor. 3-day chart. ADX above 23 and it's gonna turn positive, so that means Bitcoin is gonna start moving very, very slow in 3-day chart like this, like very, very, very slow, very weak in macro time frames around here. My next big short is gonna be when I see something like this, people super bullish again as usual, and after that my 3-day chart is doing a short, screaming short, right? Because 3-day chart is one of my favorite time frames. for macro trades. Look at this beautiful thing. Two opportunities, one here from $52,000 to 40. The next one was, the last one was in November actually. Yeah, November, from 63 all the way down to, well, actually to 30. I mean, very good short here, very good short. So the next short is gonna be for me like this. Yeah. Okay guys, thank you very much for watching. Thank you. One thing, in the next, yeah, I think very soon, you are in my group, my Discord group, just be patient a little bit, because I'm gonna publish and make official the training programs in my Discord group. Yeah, remember, all the members of my Discord group, they will get access for free to the basic training. All the Patreon members, they will get access to some special content for them. Some people, they ask me about the training groups. Okay, all of them, they will be ready by the end of March. All of them. I mean, the basic training is gonna be ready actually tomorrow. But all my trading setups, my training programs will be ready in the month of March. So we will have around I will have around 5 programs, basic, mid-level, and advanced level, and also the most important one is I will teach you how to use my system. Yeah, my system. And the plus, or the next one, is how you can create your own systems. But it's going after it's more sophisticated, because it takes more. You need to understand very well the price action and many things. It will take time. Yeah, but I'm very happy, and thank you all guys for all your support. I really appreciate it. Thank you all my fans, even they are not happy with my technicals, but you see, this is the first video since November, I think. No, since September, I think. Is a little bit bullish actually for Bitcoin. Okay guys, thank you for watching, and see you next time.